Let's go to question number 846, hand job straight. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Alice has a hand of cards given as an array of integer. This is the hand. Now she wants to rearrange the cards into groups so that each group is size W and consists of W consecutive cards. Return true if and only if she can. Okay, let's check with example 1. Hand is this one, and then return is true. Okay, let's check consecutive card, so we need to start 1. This is 3, so 1, 2, 3, okay, and then 2, 3, 4, okay, and then 6, 7, 8 is okay, so return true. And then example 2, W is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is okay, but oh, there are only 1. So this first. If it's true, it also needs to 6, 7, 8. Then true, but this 3 is missing, so that is the first. Okay, how we gonna do? Okay, let's start with the proper solution. Proper solution, we will sorting this one, and then checking when found 1, and then delete this one, and then delete this one, delete this one, next delete this one, this and that to do that. But I think time complexity quite not good. So okay, let's make the better way. Today I gonna use hash map. So first I will make a hash map. Value is the number, and then value is the frequency of the number, and then I will sorting by the number, and then I will deduct one by one like this. Okay, I gonna simulate my approach. So first I make the counter is the hash map. So 1 is 1, key is number, and then value is frequency. And then I will sorting by ascending order. So when I'm here, I will deduct this one, 0, 1. Oh, this is not 3, this is 2, 1, 2. And then I will iterate on W and then deduct 1. And then next time I will check, this is 0, 0, 0, 0. And then next move, if this is 3 is 0, I will skip it. And then now we are the 4, and then now 6, this one also 0, 0, 0, skip, skip, skip. So while I'm updating the frequency, if this one is below 0, I will return false. That means that there are not enough number we required. So this one is the true. Okay, let's check with this one. This one must be returned first. 5. Okay, and then first we start here. And W is 4, so I will delete 0, 0, 0, 0, 4. And then skip 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, because this frequency is 0. And then now we start 0, and then next set is the 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So if we check this is negative, I will return first, because C does not in the hand. Does this make sense? Okay, let's implement it. Okay, I will gonna use collection counter. So counter is collection counter for the hand, and then for num I will sort it counter to get ascending order. So first I will get the first item. Okay, I will check this 2, 2, 1, 6, 1, 7181, and then let's check with this code. So now we are here. We needed this one to deduct this. So I will get frequency is counter num, and if frequency is the 0, I will continue. I will skip the next code. So if not frequency, continue. There otherwise I will iteration for I in range same length of W, and then I will deduct the 1 by 1. So now this is 1, right? So frequency is 1, and then counter num plus I, deduct frequency, so and then check counter num plus I is below the 0. I will return first, otherwise I will return true. Okay, let's check the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's check with the complexity. Time complexity is the generated, this one is the linear time, and then this one, the solid, is the n log n, and then iteration is n. So time complexity is n log n, and then space complexity is linear space because we used the counter hash map. Thank you.